Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile and practical products out there, perfect for anyone looking to organize their space effectively. I'm talking about the YEMUNY 5-tier rolling utility cart. This isn't just any ordinary cart. It's designed to be your ultimate organizational companion. Whether you're a teacher looking to enhance your classroom setup or someone wanting to declutter your home office or kitchen, let's break down why this cart is earning its spot on the best teacher wish list. First off, let's talk about its construction. The YEMUNY cart is built from durable polypropylene, making it sturdy enough to handle books, office supplies, and even kitchen essentials without breaking a sweat. Its sleek white design adds a touch of modernity to any space. Organization-wise, it offers 5 spacious tiers, each designed to accommodate different items, from books and files to stationery and kitchen tools. The top tier even features a built-in cup holder and small grids for storing smaller items conveniently. Ease of use is another highlight. Assembly is a breeze with simple instructions that get you up and running in just a few minutes, no complicated tools required. Plus, its 360-degree rotating wheels make maneuverability a cinch. Whether you're reconfiguring your classroom layout or simply moving it around your kitchen. And if security is a concern, fear not. 2 of its wheels come equipped with locks, ensuring it stays firmly in place when needed. Now, let's talk about versatility. This cart isn't just limited to one use. It's perfect for teachers needing a mobile storage solution in classrooms. Imagine effortlessly wheeling in supplies or organizing students' materials. Similarly, it's an excellent addition to home offices, libraries, and even kitchens where space efficiency is key. With its compact yet spacious design, it maximizes storage without taking up precious floor space. To wrap things up, the YEMUNY 5-tier rolling utility cart is not just a storage solution. It's a game changer in how you organize your space. Whether you're a teacher, a home organizer, or someone just looking to streamline their daily routines, this cart ticks all the boxes. I hope you found this review helpful. If you're interested in picking up one of these carts, check out the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.